Hello. Breaking Brain, a new episode. I hope you will find and you are clever enough to find way how to subscribe my channel. And right now, let's go. Sprint. How to solve big problems and test new ideas in just 5 days from Google Ventures former employees. Please meet them. Product development can quickly become overwhelming. It's easy to get stuck trying to do too much at once. Sprint reveals Google Ventures' unique 5-day process for answering crucial questions through prototyping and testing ideas with customers. Easier said than done. It's for founders, product managers, or anyone else interested in rapid prototyping of products, services, or experiences. If your team needs to solve a big problem, break out of a rut, or make quick progress on a difficult project, this book is for you. Design is so much more than making sure something looks and feels good. It's about solving problems through creative thinking and a lot of hard work. A lot of time this can fall on a single designer's shoulders. When this happens, it doesn't offer any other perspective besides theirs. They create their marks, hopefully spend some time talking to users, and send it off to engineering, hoping they put together a great spec and all goes well. The sprint process, as it is called, has been applied hundreds of times for companies in which Google's venture capital arm has invested. Sprint offers a detailed step-by-step guide to successful sprints. First of all, recruit a team of 7. Do you mean the Magnificent 7 or what? Recruit a team of 7 or fewer. And for some roles, you might choose 2 or 3. Just remember that a mix is good. Decider. Who makes decisions for your team? Finance expert. Who can explain where the money comes from and where it goes? Marketing expert. Who crafts your company's messages? Customer expert. Who regularly talks to your customers one-on-one? Tech. Logistic expert. Who best understands what your company can build and deliver? Design expert. Who designs the products your company makes? The word team is pretty cheap, but in a sprint, a team is really a team. You'll be working side by side for 5 days. By Friday, you'll be a problem-solving machine and you'll share a deep understanding of the challenge and the possible solutions. This collaborative atmosphere makes the sprint a great time to include people who don't necessarily agree with you. And the last, bring the troublemaker. The next step is mapping. The key to successful mapping, according to the authors, is to keep it simple. The map created on a whiteboard is customer-centric. The key customers are listed along the left margin, with the rest of the space dedicated to a drawing that recreates the customer experience from beginning to end. Arrows are valuable here. The next step, ask the experts, consists of interviews with people who have the knowledge to provide ideas to the problems first, laid out in the sprint questions and highlighted by the map. Sprint is filled with snappy little brainstorming technique, and one of them appears in the Ask the Experts portion of the process, the HMW note. The members of the sprint team use post-it notes to ask "How might we?" questions of the expert that address the unknowns or questions that have arisen. Expect the map to be read round as the experts reveal unexpected problems or offer unexpected solutions. Monday ends with choosing the target. The map has been redrawn and is by now plastered with HMW, how might we, sticky notes, and now the team chooses one particular aspect of the customer experience on which to focus. The authors break down the rest of the days in the same clear, step-by-step manner. They give the order in which the major task for each day must be accomplishment, offer tools and methodologies to help accomplish the task, and offer real examples throughout from their clients. Important ideas. Gather customer reactions, not feedback. When it's time to showcase your prototype to customers, you'll want them to react naturally and honestly to what they believe is a finished product or service. Such reactions are solid gold, but feedback is worth pennies on the dollar. If the illusion of a real product is broken, customers switch into feedback mode. They'll try to be helpful and think up suggestions instead of providing genuine reactions. In the real world, your product will stand alone. People will find it, evaluate it, and use it without you there to guide them. Give them nudges, but don't tell them exactly what to do. Seeing where customers struggle and where they succeed is useful, but hearing their thoughts as they go is invaluable. Ask questions to help them think aloud. What do you think of that? What are you looking for? What would you do next? After your first sprint, you might notice a shift in the way your team works. You look for ways to turn discussion into testable hypotheses. You look for ways to answer big questions in a week. Thank you so much. Take care. And maybe, do you want to prepare your big questions in a week?